Alrighty, and we're back. Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new here. So as you've seen, the title says new year, new home decor, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a vision board or mood board for your home. So I have some big plans for my home this year. I really want to redo everything. So because of that, I really wanted to get some inspiration first and make a mood board or vision board for my home. So I'm going to take you through the steps that you need to create one for you. All right, so step number one is you just want to get focused. You want to figure out what it is that you want to do in your home this year. You may want to do one room, maybe two, maybe you want to do the whole thing. Maybe you're moving into a new space, or like me, I want to do several rooms. So that's the first thing. You want to get focused on what it is that you want to be updating this year. And the reason you want to do that is so that when you go and get your magazines or things like that, you know exactly what it is that you're looking for. So after we get focused, then we just want to get inspired. Y'all know I have said it plenty of times before, Pinterest is my #1 source of inspiration. You want to go on Pinterest, you want to get magazines, go on Google. Another thing that you may want to do if you are not sure about what type of style you like or what your style is, HGTV has a great style quiz that you can take. So go on HGTV, take the style quiz and see what it says your style is. And then once you know your style, then pulling from Pinterest or magazines will be quite easy. So besides redecorating a lot of my rooms, one of my goals for this year, one of my biggest goals for this year is to also organize a lot of spaces in my house. I'm talking about the garage, linen closets, pantries, all those different things. So one of the books that I picked up is The Home Edit, which I love. If you guys have seen them on, what's their show? I think their show was on Netflix, I think. Yeah, on Netflix. I loved it. If you like home organization or are kind of a neat freak or got OCD, then you'll probably love this too. But yeah, I picked up this magazine because this is definitely something that I want to work on this year. Between the kids and my husband and us, we travel a lot and we're always bringing new things in and doing projects and different things like that. The biggest thing is the garage. It's a mess. So I'm going to get that organized this year. So that is definitely one of my biggest goals, and that is going on my board for sure. All right, so we all know how to put a vision board together. We know we normally just cut some pictures out of magazines and we place them on our board, or we cut sayings or whatever it is that inspires us or what we want to manifest for the year. But when it comes to creating a vision board for your home, I actually suggest getting a little more creative. I say go to your local store and get some actual samples of different textiles and fabrics that you would like to use in your home. So these, for instance, came from Lowe's. You're able to get tile samples. You're also able to get flooring samples. And then you can also go to your local furniture stores and you can get fabric samples as well of the type of fabric that you may want your furniture, sofas, or chairs to be. And put those on your board as well. And then that will give it some texture and it'll make it a little different than just your standard vision board. we have completed the first step to a new home, which is the vision of what we would want that home to be. So I hope this inspires you to get creative and create you a vision board for your home, so that all of your projects coming up this year, you'll know exactly what it is that you're doing, what style you're going for, and what the overall feel and mood and vibe would be for the home. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I will see you guys this year. I have so much planned, as you see. Just to give you guys some quick insight, I plan on doing my office, my living room, my bathroom, my dining room, possibly even my bedrooms. So we have a lot coming up this year, and I can't wait to show you guys what all we do. So see you on the next video, and here is to a new home.